It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day and another video for you guys, man. We got this car. I know I showed it to you on a previous video. We're completing it up today though, guys. This one came all the way to us. It got a Texas tag, but it actually came to us. It was shipped to us from Virginia, I believe. From Virginia, this one came to us from. He came out, he wanted to get some flow lights and stuff done. We are getting it done today. We're doing something for him that nobody in the market has had, not even the Audio Cat has had. We're doing something very, very special in this build. It's the first time ever being done, period. And I think y'all gonna love it. So I'm gonna have my son, he's working on this whole build right now. I have it done very shortly, but I wanna just share that with y'all when I get done with it. Great customer, great guy. We came up with an idea. He's the first guy to get it and try it. So stay tuned to this video as you see what this car is gonna get that no other one has in the market. That's something, man. While y'all gonna wait to see this build and this challenger, we had a customer came in. He's taking his car to multiple shops to get this problem fixed. He had these lights installed. They had all the lights in pieces. We're actually fixing it right now. Nobody was able to fix it, man. This is where I tell you guys truthfully that sometimes experience is better than anything, man. The team is very experienced in what we do. We deal with lights a lot. So we were able to get this car in the bay, see all the errors that were done, fix the errors, and now have the resolution to this problem to get this car completed. I'm gonna let y'all hear from the customer's voice. He talks Spanish. I'll translate for y'all if y'all want, and y'all Spanish, then y'all know. But he's gonna be very excited because he took it into multiple places. They charged him money. Nobody's been able to fix the car for him. He brought it to AUDIOZONE. Thank you for the referral. We got it going for him. I'm gonna show you that reaction in a few minutes. At this point in time, we are putting the Challenger together. This is it right here. The guys are doing all the wiring, getting everything situated. You see the bumper on the floor here, but they're about to put this one together because you can see it. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go interview the owner of the car so y'all can see what we're talking about with this guy. Alrighty, guys, so here in the shop now we got Mr. Myron Brown. He's the owner of this beautiful car that you've been vlogging today. Tell us about how, let's first of all, how did you hear about the store?
Man, real to real.
Real to real. That's a much credit. And this is Kevin Hart. He came with him today, man. Come visit us, man. This is young. Look at why. Stand next to him.
Oh man, yeah.
Now you understand why he's Kevin Hart, man. You know what I'm saying? So Myron, I got a question. You heard about it through Real to Real. You came to the shop, and we're gonna get this done. Now I know you don't know what your car looks like or what it's gonna be like, but how you feeling right now, man?
Man, I mean, I'm feeling excited.
So a new year with a new look.
A new year with a new look. Yes, sir, it is. And I'm ready to shine them lights on these boys.
I'm telling you right now, I got a question. Do you ever race your car?
I have not yet.
Okay, are you planning on it?
I'm planning on planning.
Have you ever adjusted the fallopian tubes in the car?
No, I haven't.
Why? You do your traction control, you do it with your air pressure and all that stuff. You know how to race. I mean, you know you gotta drop your air pressure. You didn't never adjusted the fallopian tubes in the car?
Never had.
Have you ever adjusted the fallopian tubes in the car?
I don't even know what fallopian tubes are.
You don't know what fallopian tubes are.
I thought that was on a woman.
Oh, you married?
Yes.
You got kids?
Yeah.
You married, you got kids?
I have a child.
You have a child. So
Hey, fallopian tubes on a woman.
fallopian tubes come off of your woman, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm like.
That's the insides, man. He caught it faster than you, Myron. This guy here, you know, he's street, you know, so he got a little street on him. He's like, hold on. He's like, you know what he said? He said, this guy trying to push a fashion on me, man. He heard the talk like, hold on, he's analyzing everything. He got it. Congratulations on that, Mr. Kevin Hart. You know, he got that going, man. But, huh?
Been around the world. He done heard
where you been, man?
I'm just saying,
He Kevin Hart, yeah. You gotta be careful. They after you, Kevin.
Illuminati.
Huh?
Illuminati.
I feel you on that one, man. But yo, he got his style's different too. He got a shark going on over here with some. So, oh man, what the hell going on here,
I
man?
don't know, man.
You just bought the shirt because you bought it.
I mean, you know, it just went together and I said.
You got that swag going on.
That's how you knew what you were saying a while ago. They saving a female now. From a killer.
Save the fallopian tube from the show. Look at that. They got the shark about it, man. Come on, man. But anyway, Myron, I'm about to reveal this car to you in a few minutes, man. They're putting everything together, and I'm gonna show you what it is. Like I told him, man, on the channel today, he's got the first. It was an idea that we had for my car. Nobody's done it, but his car was here, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna bless him with that for New Year. He could be the first guy ever to have this on a Demon Eye. Y'all gonna check this out when we get the car out here. But it's a unique thing in Myron. You know what? You deserve it. The guy's been a good customer. He's been a good guy. Hopefully he stays that way, because I'm gonna tell you right now, customer service go based on your attitude. You know what that means, right? I'm willing to work with you 100%. Anything. I do, I lose. I do what I gotta do. But your attitude has everything to do. I've had people come here try to sometimes talk to me sideways. My wife don't talk to me like that, brother. You know what I'm saying? I tell them this about me, you know what? Calm down. I understand whatever situation, because things happen. Sometimes a CD doesn't work on the radio or a speaker goes out. Things happen. I mean, it's electronic.
Even if it's brand new,
it doesn't matter. My car. I don't want to even talk about this. My side chick right now. But you know, things happen. But you know, your way you talk to me is everything. You come in here, listen, Jeff, I got a problem. What do you show me? it's taken care of. I mean, there's nothing to talk about, man. I've warranted people out of warranty, but it's what I do. You know, God has blessed us to here. That's why real, and you know, my people do what we got, because we got to do our best, man. But stay tuned if we reveal this car to y'all. Put together, as you can see right now, the bumper's back on. They're putting all the screws on, and this customer's about to get a reveal of his car. I want y'all to tell me what this guy's gonna feel when he gets to see this bad boy right now, y'all. So the guys are teaming up to get this car situated, man. It's been a pleasure dealing with this guy, but we want to see the review when we give him his car, man. So stay tuned. Yeah, we got the fog light. Isaac, stop playing. All right, y'all, so we can see here, we got the DLR on the bottom, the Halo ring, Flow Series. We got the Flow Series on the headlight. But look at that, guys. We got one inside of the headlight for his one-off Demon Eye kit. You can see there's one inside the light. Never been done before. That is a killer build, man. So I know the customer gonna see it in a few minutes. And he should be very happy to see what he's got going on, man. Because the guys are buttoning it up, and we're gonna go talk to Mr. Myron Davis and show him exactly what we got going on. About to see your girl pull outside. Come on, front. Let's go see what she look like. You guys went to QT, didn't invite nobody to a Red Bull or nothing. Like, damn it, man. So, your car's about to come around the bay, man. This is a technician who worked on your car. His name is Isaac. He's the one that did the build of your life, Myron. That's Myron, the owner of the vehicle. That's Kevin Hart over there. But he about to, your car coming around how you want to see.
Little baby right here, man.
You got both on her.
Ah, look at it.
No, but look over the good sun now. Tell me if you see what's different with your Demon Eyes compared to anybody else.
Oh, it's in the inside.
You know what a Demon Eye is?
Yeah, the one in the inside.
You're the only guy who has the Flow Series Demon Eye. The only guy. There is not another car that's ever had that done where you're able to get a Demon Eye Flow Series inside of your headlight. Nobody has it. You can also do single colors and so on, but I gave you a Flow. But you actually have what nobody else has. You have a Demon Eye Flow Series. Nobody has it. You're the first guy, Myron. Bro, it doesn't exist. We made it. He actually came up with the idea, and we ended up putting it together. And brother, look at this. You're the only guy who has a Demon Eye that is a Flow Series. Flow Series, look at that. Like a regular, like a Flow Series Demon Eye. Myron, you're the only guy who has it. So Kevin Hart, you got a boy who got the first anywhere Flow Series Demon Eye. My question is for you right now, how you feeling?
Man, I feel lovely, man.
Besides cold.
That's beautiful, man.
Man, she's beautiful. Now you got a lot of colors and patterns. You got the color a minute ago was the fallopian tube color, the pinkish color. Okay. That's but you know, you could actually you can tune it to whatever you want to. You can make it whatever you want to.
He like it. Look at him. He like it.
Man, she look good,
hey,
man.
This little Honda catch attention.
You look at this Honda, y'all. I've never seen it. He got a Honda on Vogue, y'all. Honda on Vogue. Check that out. Bro, this right here is different. I've never seen a Honda on Vogues.
Yeah.
Never seen a Honda on
Vogues. I ain't
Vogues.
even keeping it. I just did it because it fulfilled my need to do it.
It looks truthfully for different. I've never seen that before in my life. You ever seen that, Kevin Hart? No? All right, man. Well, Myra, come here. Let's finish up with your vlog here in your car. This is your baby. You wanted a job. We got it done. How are you feeling right now?
Man, I feel good.
You feel excited. You know that if the only rule you have, you're driving the car, you see smoke on your dashboard, run out, take your phone, your car's on fire. You know that, right?
I don't believe you'll do that, man. I know you did a good job.
Man, I promise you we did it. We do what we do, man. But you have it. You're good to go, Myron. I want to thank you for thank you for giving us the chance to serve you today, Myron. You know what I'm saying? Anything we could do to serve you, Papa, we're here to serve you, man. Mr. Myron's in the building. Get ready to take his car out. He's going out. Y'all be good. God bless. Thank y'all always for the support.